Agos River, let's go! So good morning guys. Ngayong araw pupunta tayo ngayon dun sa may Agos River. Magra-race tayo ng kasama natin sa mga GRTech family. Pupunta natin yung lugar na yan. So ingat sa atin guys and God bless. Bye bye. Ito magkita-kita guys. Baka dito na ibang grupo. Watch out. Sino pa wala, Noy? Sino pa wala?
Sige no. Pakabusok. Sa wine na.
Right. So, andito si Angelo. Ayan. Mer. Okay. Ayan si Mer. Andito si Noy. Andito si Mami. Boss Rick. Okay, okay. Ayan. Alright. Si Bong.
At syempre dito si Mami.
Oh. Alright. Nice, best friend. Oh guys, lagi tayong antay sa kanila kasi nga si Angelo medyo baguhan sa kalsada. Tente lang tayo. Dito medyo puro palusong na to dito. Oh, ayan o, kinakain niya yung linya. Dapat hindi ganyan.
Sa mga oras na to guys, dito naalalayan ko na siya kasi nga medyo sumasablay talaga yung niya, mga pabanking niya. Kasi nasakop niya yung kabilang linya.
Ang takat ng linya. Alright. Woohoo! Okay, banat. Kaya mo yan, best friend. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay, buntutan mo na yun. Kape muna tayo. Kape muna.
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa ano, Puti ng Ina.
Tinaw pasok.
Kami bong.
Kape. Boy, Yossi Burbong. wala tayong minantinda ngayon.
Walang utang muna sa Yossi ngayon kasi dito si Bong.
Wala mo.
Ayan.
Pagsigil mo.
Right.
Alright, 2 joints.
Hey, ka muna.
Tayo mga tol. Tayo tayo guys. Ha? Alright, tapos na natin magkape guys. Let's go na ulit. Sige, mauna kayo. Sino? Grabe yung pagme. Biyahe guys. Mas malamig yung panahon. Pakasuli. Ayan o. Harap. Sayang motor. Let's go. Okay, barat.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the beats and chatter. Gotta say a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Alim na bagay sa tayo, guys. Da. Meron. So guys, di kami nakapagpalipad ng drone. Sayang, ganda pa naman sana ng spot to. So let's go na ulit.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Sabi mo? Oh guys, ito may pulse dito yung isa. Ayan. Yan, taas. Yun.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the
Ito na yun. Na tayo dito. Ito na guys. Papasok. So pagpapasok dito guys, merong bayad 10 kada motor. 10 piso lang ang babayaran mo. So hindi natin okay na yun kahit 10 piso.
So guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa Agus River. Ito na yung time na para mag-enjoy naman tayong lahat. Yung kinuha nga pala namin ditong cottage, floating cottage na kasi medyo marami-rami kami tapos sakto lang din naman yung amount na babayaran. Oo nga pala guys, sa mga mag-i-inquire dito, yung floating cottage nila dito nasa 1.5 tapos yung mga kubo naman nila nasa 500 lang. So sulit.
Alright, this is it.
live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Mga dancer ng GRTech. Alright. Upal ka pa doon. Guys, napakasulit dito guys. Napakasulit dito. Sayang lang, di tayo nakapagpalipad ng drone. Baka may gusto kayo shoutout, Boss Rick. Shoutout. Shoutout sa mga Gilmore Boys.
Gilmore. Batang Gilmore.
Solid oh. Boss Jerome! Shopee mo! Dito na yung Shopee mo.
Shopee!
Sabi mo na.
Yung parcel mo!